our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the LCM. How to find the LCM we have discussed already. We have discussed the three methods to find the LCM. The first one was the listing the multiples method. Second one was prime factorization method. Third one was the division method. Yesterday I gave you one question. I got answers from few students. All the students are not giving the answers. That is not a great thing. You all should complete your homework. We are not giving too much homework. Only one question, two questions, or three questions we are giving. So you are supposed to take that seriously. Today, first of all, I will tell you something about the LCM. If the numbers given are like that, 2, 3, 5, what you are seeing in those numbers, 2, 3, 5, these are co-primes. Co-primes means they are not having any common factor other than 1. 1 के अलावा उनका कोई भी common factor नहीं है. These are the co-prime numbers. If we have to find the LCM of the co-prime, then we are supposed to multiply them. Co-prime we discussed previously. What are the co-prime numbers? Co-prime number are the number having no common factor other than 1. कोई भी उनका common factor नहीं होता है 1 को छोड़ के. 1 तो सबका common factor है. So ऐसे co-prime numbers का अगर हमें LCM निकालना है तो directly method है, हमें उन्हें multiply ही करना पड़ेगा. Second case, if the numbers are given like this, 6, 12, 36. If the largest number is coming in the table of the remaining 2, अगर जो सबसे बड़ा वाला नंबर है वो छोटे वाले नंबर्स की टेबल में आ रहा है, 6 की टेबल में 36 आता है, 6 6 36, 12 की टेबल में भी 36 आता है, 12 3 36, then there is no need to find the LCM by any of the methods. If we are doing the questions, then if we are suppose adding the fraction, subtracting the fraction, in those cases we are supposed to find the LCM, then we can see directly. If 36 is coming in the table of 6 and 12, we can say that 36 is the LCM. So these are the tricks for when we are solving the questions, complex questions. So to check whether you have learned or not the LCM, I will give 4 questions today. First question is, you have to find the LCM of 15, 20 and 30. Second, 11, 13 and 15. Third, 8, 16 and 64. Fourth, 20, 30 and 40. These questions you have to solve by all the methods. By all the methods, how many methods we are having? Again, I am telling you 3 methods are there. First is the listing the multiples method. Second one is the prime factorization method. Third one is the division method. So you are supposed to use all the 3 methods. At the same time, you are supposed to convey the message to your friends, colleagues, neighbors that if you have not subscribed the school YouTube channel, you are supposed to subscribe now. After subscribing the channel, you are supposed to press the bell icon for the latest notification. Thank you very much.